This video is sponsored by Ugreen. More about them later, or jump into it by checking out the timestamps in the video description to learn more about their 3-in-1 MagSafe wireless charger. In this video, I would like to show you my brand new desk and an all-new iPad desk setup. And with it are my new supporting casts. In my opinion, these are all easy on the budget accessories. Of course, the main star here is my iPad Pro 11-inch, and this is the most expensive among all this. And this powers the whole setup. This is the iPad Pro 2nd Gen that came out in 2020. I'm already used to the black bars when I use this on a monitor, but it would have been really nice to do full display. But this will never have the full external monitor display because this doesn't have the M1 chip. So that brings me to the first accessory I want to talk about, which is my 27-inch Benq monitor. This is a budget monitor with low specs, and some of you might cringe on this, but hey, it's totally fine for me. This has IPS panel with a maximum resolution of 1920 by 1090 and with 60 Hz refresh rate. This has the anti-glare screen, or what I call matte display, so it's totally usable when I work, and at my back is a bright window. And this is a low-end monitor, so this does not connect by USB-C or Thunderbolt, but with HDMI cable. How I connect my iPad Pro to this monitor is using this Lension USB-C adapter that I take out from the stand. This has the HDMI port and also the charging port, so I can keep the iPad charged while connected to the monitor while doing work or doing something else. I have a couple of iPad stands that different companies have sent over, so thank you. And the stand I choose to use in this setup is the Magflott stand by Chargin Pro. It is easy to attach the iPad to it, though I need to take it out of the case. The stand has the slot to run the cable, so it makes things a bit cleaner and less messy when I use the USB-C adapter. This stand can also easily rotate, so I can move to portrait and landscape mode whenever I want to. Stay tuned for the next video where I will compare the different iPad stands. Might be useful for you if you're looking for one. Next accessory is new, and this is the Vissles V84 keyboard. I'm using this right now mainly because I'm testing it, and Vissles sent this over for my review, but they didn't pay me to make this video. I decided to use this in my current setup because the size is just right for me. It's a 75% layout keyboard, same as my Keychron K3, but this looks way more bulky. As I prefer slimmer or smaller keyboards, good for me that the sides of this can be removed. This is primarily Mac oriented, but I can comfortably use this on my Windows laptop too. In fact, I can connect this to up to 5 devices. Even if this is a mechanical keyboard, it is quite quiet to use. This has the PBT keycaps with a matte kind of finish. The switches is what they call their self-developed VS switch, which has the 56 grams actuation force and 4 millimeters of key travel. Vissles claims this to be hot swappable, but quite strange as they don't sell switches separately in their website. Anyway, so far I'm liking this keyboard, and this is because my personal preference, I like light and quiet typing. So for those who like the clicky typing, this keyboard may be too sensitive for you. Of course, as a mechanical keyboard, this has RGB lights. I think it will look better if the letters are lighting up too, but no, it's not. One last neat thing about this Vissles keyboard is that they add in the box the magnetic lifters, if I can call it like that, and also a wrist rest. Anyway, here are some typing sounds. As for the mouse, there's nothing really much to say about the Magic Mouse. I prefer to use this as it's the most compatible mouse for the iPad. But if you want to know other options, check out my other video where I compare different mice. Link in the description below. The next accessory on my desk is from the sponsor of today's video. This is Ugreen 3-in-1 MagSafe wireless charger. I like my desk to be clean and on the minimal side, so if I can avoid having many cables running on my desk, then I'm all for it. Simple is the best. This MagSafe charging station is designed to charge 3 devices simultaneously with only one cable. The Ugreen magnetic wireless charger can charge my Apple Watch, my AirPods, and my iPhone all at the same time. This is MFI certified fast charging, where it delivers 15 watts fast charging for iPhone MagSafe series such as the iPhone 13 and iPhone 12 series, and 7.5 watts charging for other iPhones like iPhone 11 and iPhone 8 Plus or just the regular 8. For iPhones that don't have built-in MagSafe, they can be attached seamlessly to charge with a MagSafe enabled case. This charges the AirPods at 5 watts and the Apple Watch at 7 watts. Equipped with the MFI certified charging module, it has reliable protection while charging all the devices together. While charging, I can still use my iPhone and can have different angles if I want to. In the box, they also included this sticker patch, which is a cushion for the Apple Watch. I like this so far with all these nice features. Plus, this matches my new white desk. Check out the link in the video description if you're interested to get this 3-in-1 wireless charging station, and you may be lucky to get some discount code also in the video description. To finish off, I want to mention my desk/monitor light. I have here the Baseus monitor light bar, but here I will flash the full name as shown when I bought this in Lazada. I had a desk lamp for years which I thought was lighting my desk pretty well. When I got this, oh my eyes were really happy to see things clearly when I work. I never knew I needed one until I got this. This is a simple monitor bar light where I can adjust the brightness by turning this dial. I can also change the color temperature by pressing this dial, press and hold, although most of the time I use the white light or the normal light. This stays pretty solid on top of my Benq monitor even when I move or adjust the monitor position. I can say I'm really happy with this very affordable monitor bar light, which I got for just about 922 Thai baht, which is around 25 to 26 US dollars. So worth it. So that is my new iPad Pro desk setup. Stay tuned, as for sure my desk will evolve, and also in the next video I will talk about the different iPad stands, so if you're interested in that, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know once I post it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.